This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice gel for your face. First, begin by thoroughly rinsing 1 cup of rice under cold water to remove any dirt or impurities. Next, place the clean rice in a bowl and add 2 cups of water, allowing it to soak for about 30 minutes. This step helps soften the rice and release its beneficial nutrients. Finally, transfer the rice and water to a pot and boil for 15 to 20 minutes until the rice is very soft. Once your rice is cooked, let it cool down slightly. Then, transfer the cooked rice and any remaining water into a blender. Blend until you achieve a very smooth, creamy consistency. If the mixture seems too thick, you can add a small amount of extra water to reach your desired gel-like texture. Finally, use a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth to strain the mixture, ensuring your rice gel is perfectly smooth and free of particles. To enrich your homemade rice gel, mix in 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel and 1 teaspoon of glycerin. Aloe vera soothes and glycerin locks in moisture. For added nourishment, incorporate 1 tablespoon of honey, a natural humectant, and 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil, known for its anti-aging properties. Once combined, apply a small amount of this gel to your clean face and neck, gently massaging it into your skin in upward circular motions. For optimal freshness, store your homemade rice gel in a clean, airtight container. Keep it refrigerated to maintain its potency and extend its shelf life. This natural gel will remain good for up to 1 week when properly stored. For best results, incorporate it into your daily skincare routine, applying it once or twice a day to enjoy its nourishing and skin-brightening benefits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.